So, how important it is for someone to stick to the plan while also ensuring that they have God in the midst?
Well, I will say it this way. If you want to be successful in whatsoever you do, you have to be a determined person.
Excellent.
Because in life there will always be obstacles,
Good.
and these obstacles sometimes can prevent us from reaching our goals.
Yes.
But once you are determined and you know what you want and you go for it, you
Yes.
will achieve it. Remember also that hard work is paramount in being successful, even in your relationship with God. You have to work hard. I know that it's by grace, but you have to work hard. You have to be determined that you will be able to do it. So hard work, staying focused,
Yes.
and determination, and also have confidence in yourself. And once you have all these elements, you will be successful.
Good.